Ever wonder why your fingers make that crack sound when you stretch them? That sound doesn't come from bone rubbing, it comes from tiny gas bubbles inside your joint. When you stretch your finger, the joint space suddenly increases. This drop in pressure creates a air bubble inside the synovial cavity, and when that bubble bursts, you hear that crack sound. And no, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. That's a myth. It's just gas bubbles popping inside your joint. It's as simple as that. So the next time your finger cracks, it's just physics, not a damage.